Today we are going to revise the chapter The Sermon at Banaras. Sermon means first lecture and Banaras is otherwise known as Varanasi now. Now let's start with the introduction of the chapter. This chapter, The Sermon at Banaras, throws light upon the early life of Lord Buddha, who was originally born as a prince in the royal family. On being exposed to the sufferings of the world which he was earlier shielded from, he left his princehood and went in search of salvation. Salvation means moksha, thus leaving all the worldly pleasures behind. Upon attaining spiritual awakening, he gave his first sermon, means first preaching lesson, in the city of Banaras, which is now called as Varanasi. Here, by making a lady named Gisa Gautami realize that men are mortal and a wise person should not grieve at what is bound to happen, for it only enhances pain and suffering. Let us discuss about the characters. There are two main characters in this chapter. It is Gautam Buddha and Gisa Gautami. Gautam Buddha is the founder of the Buddhist religion. He was a spiritual lead teacher who had gained enlightenment after seeing the world's pains and greed. Gisa Gautami, she was a young mother whose only son had died. She was a loving and caring mother, but at the same time she became selfish and wanted to get her son back after death. Now let us start with the overview of the chapter. First, Buddha as a prince. Gautam Buddha was born as a prince named Siddhartha Gautam in North India. At 12, he was sent for schooling in Hindu sacred scriptures. 4 years later, he returned home and got married to a princess. They had a son. They lived a royal life for 10 years. Now let us talk about the Gautam. Gautama is enlightened from the sufferings of the world. He was protected from the sufferings of the world when he was a royal prince. But one day when he saw a sick man, an old man, a funeral procession, and a monk begging for money and food, this moved Buddha, and he then went out to seek enlightenment. Now let us know about how Gautam Buddha seeks enlightenment and becomes Gautam Buddha. He travelled aimlessly for 7 years and then he stayed under a peepal tree until he attained enlightenment. After 7 days he got enlightenment and renamed the tree as Bodhi tree. The peepal tree under which Gautam Buddha got the enlightenment, that tree was renamed as Bodhi tree, tree of wisdom. There he began to teach and share his knowledge and became known as Buddha. Now let us read about Buddha give his first sermon, first lecture. Buddha preached his first sermon at the city of Banaras. It is the holiest of the dipping places on the river Gangas. This sermon reflects Buddha's wisdom about the kind of suffering that is impossible to interpret it. Let us know what is Gisa Gautami's story. Now Gisa Gautami had only one son. She carried her dead son in her arms and she went door to door asking for medicines for her dead child. The neighbors pitied her but could not help her as her son was dead. They were as helpless as Gisa and could not go against the will of God. Finally, somebody suggested that she should go to Sakya Muni, the Buddha. Buddha was also known as Sakya Muni. Gisa Gautami went to meet Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha told her to bring a handful of mustard seeds from a house where that has never knocked at the door, and it was an impossible task. But Gisa thought that it was a very easy task. She went to all the houses in the village but could not find a single house where death had not taken a beloved away. She sat down hopeless and tired. She soon realized that she was being very selfish in her grief. Death is common to all. Now let us know what is the reply of Buddha to Kissa Gautami. The life of morals is troubled, brief, and combined with pain. It is not possible to avoid death. As the ripe fruits are in danger of falling, as the earthen vessels made by the potter break, similarly the mortals have the danger of death. So all the human beings are mortals. Wise men and fools all fall in the power of death. Only the wise do not grieve and they accept the reality. All weeping and grieving will bring more pain and sufferings to the body. One who is composed will obtain peace of mind and will be free from sorrow and be blessed. So, what is the conclusion of the sermon at the Benares? The conclusion, the first sermon of Lord Buddha at Benares was the holiest. It ended the suffering of lady who had lost her son. She accepted the truth and thus freed from the pain. I hope the chapter is clear to you and you have also got some moral values. And for your shortcut highlights, for the chapter highlights, I have jotted down the following points. You can go through and you can revise once again what is there in the lesson. Have a nice day. Thank you.